My name is Ruben Gonzalez, and I'm the man who cleans the Mirage every day. The name of the art piece is Mirage. In Spanish is espejismo. Es una ilusión óptica. And most people just call it mirror house. You enter the house and you see the landscape like almost everywhere, like in the ceiling, on the walls. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. I have to clean it every day so people can appreciate it more. Sometimes I think somebody's here, but it's just my reflection. It's really confusing. There's 10 or maybe 20 sometimes of me in the house. I'm not sure what the author is trying to say, but all the people love it. They think it's beautiful, they think it's amazing. I do too.